What if I told you the AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here? In 2025, businesses that fail to adapt to cutting edge tools like ChatGPT are going to be left behind, but those who embrace it are going to redefine success. I'm Levi, and I've spent the last several years helping businesses scale with the latest technology. And today, I'm going to reveal 7 revolutionary ways ChatGPT's newest features are going to completely transform your business and how you run it in 2025. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to use ChatGPT to save hours every week, supercharge your sales, and even act as your own 24/7 business strategist. And trust me, the last tip alone could revolutionize your operations overnight. So let's dive into it. This video is going to explore all the groundbreaking advancements in ChatGPT technology for 2025. This program has changed so much lately, and I'm going to outline how all of these developments are going to redefine business operations and share actionable insights for utilizing AI for growth. So, again, these are the main ideas, and we're going to categorize them 1 through 7 and go over the main features, the impact, and share some real life examples for you. So anyways, the first thing is the zero point 0.1 model, which is a revolutionary upgrade. This ChatGPT model surpasses human capabilities in problem solving and planning. I would say it acts more like a business strategist than just an assistant. It demonstrates superior IQ test performance, and it's kind of like having a team of genius level specialists in your pocket. I would say the top ways this could impact a business is that it can handle complicated tasks, and it goes beyond simple automation. It's not just if this happens, do this. It can assist in strategic planning, resource allocation, and decision making. So, for example, you could use this model to create detailed business strategies that combine market data analysis and predictive insights to make informed decisions. The second feature that will change everything, or already is the improved voice function. Over the years, we've gotten used to things like Siri and whatever the Android version is that are spotty at best. But this one is so much better. You can have a natural conversation with the voice input capability. It allows you to work on the go without typing through screens, and it seamlessly integrates with daily tasks like brainstorming, planning, and drafting. Some of the main ways this could change your business is it ultimately will just save so much time. You can dictate everything. You don't need to spend time typing out emails, and it will really help facilitate mobile productivity. You're not going to need your full workstation with 2 monitors to get things done because it will just listen to everything you say. For example, if you're, a salesperson, business owner, whatever, and you're driving, you can brainstorm ideas for presentation. And ChatGPT can structure all of these into a polished outline ready for you and your team to review once you get there. This would have been completely impossible without the in-depth voice dictation function. The next feature that's so crazy is the email automation ability. With this, you can integrate ChatGPT with Gmail, Outlook, etc., using tools like Zapier or Make.com. And honestly, it'll probably just seamlessly integrate soon. And you'll be able to draft personalized responses based on established patterns and context. In this, you can offer human-like tone and context awareness. I think the biggest impacts this will have on businesses is it will reduce time spent on repetitive email tasks, and it will improve responsiveness to customer inquiries. Instead of you having to write up the same response every time, potentially being less thorough, ChatGPT can write a clear, detailed response. So I'd say the best use case, best example is you can set up triggers for ChatGPT to draft responses to emails you get, especially those with frequently asked questions, common inquiries, order confirmations, etc., saving you or your customer service team hours every week. The next thing is the voice-based brainstorming and content creation features. In this, again, you can brainstorm sessions via voice input. It will help you generate ideas, outlines, and drafts, and ultimately functions as a research assistant on the go. This will help you streamline your content creation process and enhance productivity outside of traditional desk environments. For example, you could ask ChatGPT to dictate ideas for a YouTube video. That's something I would do myself. Or in your case, dictate ideas for how to run a meeting or maybe cold email ideas or whatever. And ChatGPT will turn them into a fully fleshed out script for you to review. Now, another big application is sales training and role play. You can use ChatGPT to simulate sales conversations with realistic scenarios. It will provide feedback and grades you on performance, and it will help refine responses to objections and tough questions you and your reps get frequently. See, the biggest uses of this is it will prepare your sales teams to handle challenging prospective clients and conversations, and it can boost confidence and effectiveness in sales pitches. So again, if you want to try this, role play with ChatGPT as a skeptical client to practice handling objections like price justification, which will help you improve your close rates. Now, another really cool application is the voice of customer messaging. You can use ChatGPT to analyze customer and competitor reviews for recurring language patterns, figure out how people talk about your product or service. You can extract key phrases that are going to resonate with your target audience because these are going to be the words and pain points your customers and your competitors' customers are using. And then you can use it to refine marketing messages for clarity and reliability. The main impact this is going to have on your business is it will enhance marketing effectiveness and build a stronger connection with potential clients. So again, how you can use this, hop on ChatGPT, get it to analyze competitor reviews and your own reviews, and identify commonly used phrases like quick response or high quality service, or whatever else is mentioned in the reviews to craft targeted website copy. If you're finding that all your customers value quick response time and your high quality service, make sure that's mentioned in your website copy. Because if they're saying it, that means it's the number one things they're happy about or complain about in competitor cases. And make sure you're using that in your marketing to your future customers. The last thing, and this is something I've personally received so much benefit from just from services I use, and that's advanced website chatbots. Finally, these website chatbots aren't the most annoying thing. They operate 24/7. They can answer complicated customer questions. I use this all the time on platform programs I use, and it will, fully solve my problems for me. It will provide personalized human-like responses and guide visitors either through a decision-making process on the sales side or support process on the user side. It's going to boost conversations by engaging visitors real time, and it will free business owners and sales teams from constant monitoring. So again, how you can use this now, deploy a ChatGPT powered chatbot on your website's sales page or within the program if you have a SaaS program to answer questions about products and make sure your customers get the information they need to either make a purchase or use the tool. So anyways, those are my top 7 tips. The advancements we've seen in ChatGPT technology this year, really promise to transform the way businesses operate. And by leveraging the tools, business owners like you can save time, improve efficiency, and drive growth. So I hope you found these useful. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have other tips, leave them down below so other people can check them out. And we'll see everyone in the next video.